Well, it was early last year. I'd had a weightlifting injury where I couldn't lift my right arm any higher than this. And I came here to get treatment. Thankfully I did. Now I can lift my arm and do all kinds of stuff. I do some competitive weightlifting and I was unable to do that, obviously because I couldn't use my arm properly, and been able to get back into that now because of the results I've had here. Actually, things healed quicker than I thought. I like the fact that there was a routine set up on how to come, a regimen, so to speak, and I could do that preventative maintenance, and I have no problems at all. I expected to have more shoulder issues, and I really haven't. As long as I come every other week, I don't have any issues at all. Like, everybody's super nice here. You come here, you just feel like everybody knows you, and you're welcome, and they know what's going on. It's a very positive experience every time I come here. I'll tell you, one of the things I find remarkable is I obviously see Dr. Jason regularly, but if Dr. Jason's not here, or if he's got several people in front of me, one of the other guys can pick up right where he left off. There's a chart that's kept. They know exactly what's going on with me. They can give me the exact same treatment. I get the exact same results. It's really remarkable that there are 3 doctors that can do the exact same thing, and I'll get the same results. Not that I don't want to keep seeing Dr. Jason, because I love that relationship we have, but you always get a handshake or a man hug and great treatment. You leave here feeling like $1 million, so it's pretty awesome. The results, I can lift. 46 years old, I can move heavy weight because my shoulders work. When I came here, my shoulder didn't work. It works great. I get the preventative maintenance treatment that I need and the advice that I may seek, and everything's great.